In this video, we're going to show you how to sync Obsidian with OneDrive. Syncing your Obsidian Vault with OneDrive is a great way to keep your notes available across multiple devices, while also creating an additional backup of your important information. Whether you're managing study materials, research projects, work documents, personal notes, or knowledge databases, synchronization can help ensure that your files stay up to date wherever you work. However, many users are unsure how to properly set up cloud synchronization for their Obsidian Vault. Without the correct setup, it can be difficult to access the latest version of your notes across different devices. The good news is that Obsidian stores notes as regular files, which makes it easy to synchronize your Vault with OneDrive. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to sync Obsidian with OneDrive and access your notes across multiple devices. So, let's get started. The first step is to install OneDrive on your computer if it isn't already installed. Sign in with your Microsoft account and allow OneDrive to finish setting up. Once OneDrive is ready, locate the OneDrive folder on your computer. Next, find your existing Obsidian Vault or create a new vault if needed. Now, move the Vault folder into your OneDrive directory. Depending on the size of your vault, OneDrive may take a few moments to upload and synchronize all files. Once synchronization is complete, open Obsidian. If you moved an existing vault, select Open Folder as Vault and choose the vault from its new location inside the OneDrive folder. Verify that all your notes appear correctly. Next, install OneDrive on any additional devices where you want to access the same vault. Sign in using the same Microsoft account and allow OneDrive to synchronize your files. After synchronization finishes, open Obsidian and select the same Vault folder. You should now have access to the same notes across all connected devices. As you create or edit notes, OneDrive will automatically synchronize changes in the background. It's a good practice to allow synchronization to complete before switching devices to reduce the chance of file conflicts. Regularly checking your sync status can help ensure that your notes remain current and protected. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, install and configure OneDrive. Second, move your Obsidian Vault into the OneDrive folder. And third, open the synchronized vault on all devices where you want access to your notes. Remember that cloud synchronization can improve both accessibility and data protection. Having your vault available across multiple devices allows you to work more efficiently while helping ensure your information remains backed up. This is especially useful for students, researchers, professionals, content creators, and anyone who regularly works across multiple computers. Taking a few minutes to set up synchronization today can make managing and accessing your notes much easier in the future. And that's how to sync Obsidian with OneDrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.